Today, I will show you an email nurturing system that you can use to reduce your no-show rate and close more deals. Okay, so now inside n8n, what we're gonna have is this system. This is basically just a nurture system that sends emails depending on the amount of days that are left until the meeting, just to nurture the prospect and show more value upfront before jumping on a call, right? So the first step here is just a call.com trigger, which triggers when a booking is created for this specific event. Here you can see the payload. This is one that I tested with some days ago. And this just basically includes the whole attendee information, company information, etc., and all the meeting information, right? So the first step here is to extract the relevant data. So after we get our first trigger, we're gonna extract the relevant data that we're gonna use then in our emails. So we're gonna extract all the meeting information, the meeting start and end date, and also the attendee information. So the email name, time zone, email domain, if it is a free email or a paid email, the company information, and this is just basically what we need. Once we have that, we're gonna have to calculate the time that is left until the meeting, just to take different routes here in the next step, right? So once we do that, once we run this code right here, again, you're gonna have this whole blueprint in the description below in the resource hub. So just go ahead and download it, and you can follow me here. So here, this is just what it is doing. It's just calculating the hours to meeting, which is, well, this is negative because this event was in the past, but essentially here you have a positive number that is going to reflect the amount of hours that are left until the meeting. So once we have that variable right there, we're going to take different routes depending on the amount of the hours that we have. So in case the meeting is in 1 to 2 days time, we're going to just send one. When I'm going to prepare a final email and just send it, just one follow-up. If the meeting is between 2 and 3 days, then we're just gonna send a casual flex first, and then after 24 hours, we're gonna send the same email that we would send in the first route. So just 2 emails in that case. And if the meeting is between 3 or 5 days, we're gonna send this email first. So the same casual flex that we would send in the previous route, but here, just right after they book a call. Then we're gonna wait 1 day. We're gonna send a casual press right after that. And then we're gonna send the final email that we would send just like 24 hours before the call. So I'm gonna show you how this works. This switch node here works like this. So if hours to meeting is less than 18, so there is less than 18 hours left until the meeting, we're not gonna send anything. So stop. This is the output name. So this is the route. If the hours to meeting is less than 48 hours, we're gonna take this first route here. Is greater than 18 and less than 48 hours, we're gonna take this route. Then if it is less than 72 hours, the hours to meeting calculation, we're gonna take the 2 to 3 day route. So this one, just the 2 emails route. And then if it is less than 120 and by logic just greater than 72, it would take this route. So the 3 to 5 days, right? So this one, the 3 email route. Now this is very straightforward, very simple. So the first route, again, the final email that we would send is this one. This includes just a little code right here just to calculate some things, but the email is going to be this. Just thanking them for the booking and asking them some pre-qualifying questions, so we have just more information before the call, and also just showing interest before we jump in, right? Now, in the 2 to 3 day route, we're going to do the casual flex, which is this email right here. This is just casually flexing our past case studies, and yeah, just trying to personalize the email. Here I'm just using the company name that came from the webhook, and that's it. So this is just a casual flex, and that's it. And then we're gonna wait 24 hours until 24 hours before the call and send the final email, the same email that we would send in this first round. And in the other case, in the 3 to 5 day route, this casual flex is just the same template. And then here, what we're gonna do is just a casual press. So just trying to follow up more, being more active in the prospect's inbox. I'm just gonna say more context about me. Right 1 day after the first casual press, casual flex, we're gonna send this one. So hey, name, quick context about who I am, just giving him a little bit of more information about who I am, what I've been doing in the industry, etc., and what they should start doing before jumping the call, right? Trying to be just present in their inbox. And after we have that, we're gonna wait until 24 hours before the call, and send the final email, right? So yeah, that's it. You're gonna have this in the description below to download and use right there and then. So just use this and you'll be able to reduce your no-shows and ideally close more deals.